Star Wars Destiny, Allies of Necessity, draft set. I'm gonna unbox this sucker. Let's look at it. So everything in this box, this is the only place that you can get these, well, other than just buying them online singly. So let's see, it comes with a little thing explaining how to do sealed and draft and the special customization rules, which are a little bit different in this format. And we have 9 dice. And here are the cards. Let's see if I can open it without cutting it. That'd be so bad. Okay, here we go. Maybe. Oh gosh, come on. Okay. There we go. Count Dooku. And you only get one of each of these. So if you want to have a play set in your deck, then you got to buy 2 of these. Or buy them single online. Wow, this thing is insane. Okay, so you have it. 9 dice and what is it, 20 cards? Yeah, so 20 cards and 9 dice. Okay, thanks for watching. That's what's inside.